Hey, Aaron. Here's what we're working on, the DMG Training Room. Um, so basically, they had an intern that helped them set this whole thing up. And when they were handing off the project to me, he was saying basically they spent $25,000 on just the sheet metal in the room, not even the actual equipment, just the sheet metal for duct work and all that kind of stuff. Eventually, we're going to do all four walls and then a video tour. But right now, this guy had like just taken a quick photo of the wall with his cell phone. You can see these things are all wonky, like the shape is crazy. Like, I'm not sure how well that would straighten out in Photoshop if you're trying to take that angle off of there, but they're just looking for like kind of a proof of concept sort of thing. But basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have this on a large LG touchscreen, one on each wall. They've got three of these rooms, one in Reno, one in Sacramento, and one in their Bay Area offices. So this is the west wall, and it's got one, two, three, four, five, 6 units right here. This is something, this is something, this is a water pump thing. I haven't done this one yet. But this guy has like little red on-off valves and stuff. So I need to do this one. But like basically I got like here's like a little colored section and like you can see like this little the way I cut it out in Photoshop from the color section. It's got a little bit of like that brass kind of thing, but it just lines up with that line there. These little hinges all match up and stuff. So then the idea is you click on one of these things, it takes you over to another page that has other photos or specs on what this actual unit is, what it does. This guy's actually got a video built in. So, like I said, they kind of handed this thing off to me and they're looking to get it polished up a little bit. But I'm hoping maybe they'll fly me down to either Reno or the Bay Area shop and I can go in there with my camera gear and actually get some really nice square photos of it. But these are just positioned absolutely down to the pixel over top of like where they actually sit in the background. And pretty, I don't know, pretty cool concept, really. But this graph paper is just CSS, which that's kind of cool too. And then this is their new logo, worked up for them. They have a different version for each office name. So this one just says training room. But the regular logo, without an office name, this gray bar extends over. So it's just the width of the fan. And the inside joke is like, this is like a gray box. And that's what all these things are, gray boxes. You got gray boxes on the roof that are giant HVAC units, and it's kind of like an intake and an output sort of fan rotating through there. But that's what's going on, west wall, and this again is just like a proof of concept. I'm gonna do this up properly once they get some the right photos and stuff. But anyways, hope you're good, man. Here's a tour of the training room, west wall.